Meow. Meow, meow. Good morning. Hi. Meow. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. I'm tired. I'm really sleepy. Oops. missed one. Oh, I forgot. Wait. How do I want to do this stuff? Oh, I did this wrong. I did it wrong. I did it wrong. I did it wrong. Okay. We're going to change up to this. Okay, that's good. Then we're going to change. No. Wait. I'm so bad at this. Let's go back. Man, we changed to a. Wait, we got a line, a new line, and then. Wait, we go up to this. But then we change it to small. Yeah. New line. Is that right? Details, summary, details, new line, summary, new line, small. That's what I want. I think that's what I want. Oh God, I'm so sad. I'm so sad and anxious today. It's okay. We change this to close parentheses will become small. Oh, the end is small. New line detail. We do this one, we do this one, and we do this one. We don't do this one, we don't do this one, and we don't do this one, or this one. We do this one, and we do this one. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, yes, no. Oh wait, that was supposed to be yes. Shit. Man, why am I like this? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. We are there, yes. Okay. Hey, Rainbow. Yeah, I guess I'll put a message in the chat. What does it say? Blank line. Oh yeah, because of this one. This one should actually be multiple lines. Like this, like this. I'll put parentheses. Oh, do I have to put page breaks because this is HTML? How does that work? Or line breaks, rather. Is that how that works? Oh, but that looks so dumb. How do I do? How to do? I wonder if it looks dumb because of the small. Is that why it looks so dumb? No, it just looks dumb. Okay, whatever. We'll just put it back how it was before. That's fine. I don't know if I should delete all the Python files. Because I don't even know what... Actually, I forgot what I was doing. No, I don't. I don't have experience. I'm a noob. Let's go like this. From open brackets to parentheses. Change to small. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. And then from close parentheses, change to small. Is it carriage return? I think so. We do this one, and we don't do this one. We do this one. We do this one. We don't do this one. We don't do this one. Don't do. What does L mean? I gotta look that up. Vim search and replace. GC. Yes, no, what is AQ? I think I need to know how to go back. What do those mean? Global. C. What's a Vim manual? Just want to see what the C does. Yeah. Will I be able to find it? Most of them come from typewriters. Yeah, I read that in a book. Let's see. I'm in trouble. I am in so much trouble. Is it this? Them help. Shit. I don't man. For for my business, Silver Quill. Haven't you asked that before, Silver? Yeah. I didn't know it was since the 1870s. Nope. Okay, let me think. What am I looking for? Search commands. Replace mode. Replace mode. Basic editing. I'm gonna cry. I'm actually gonna cry. Wait. I'm gonna cry. I guess we could take a look at this one. By default, forward search starts searching for the given string at the current cursor location. It then proceeds to the end of the file. If it has not found the string, it starts from the beginning, searches from the start of the file. When repeating the end command to search for the next match, you eventually get back to the first. If you use the question mark to search in the other direction, search hit top, continuing at bottom. You can turn off search wrapping. That is not what I'm looking for. I wanna cry. I'm really sad. I wanna cry. I want to cry. I wanna cry. I wanna cry. I wanna cry. I wanna cry because I feel like the Vim manual is just too long. It's way too long. So even if it's super useful, I don't know where to find what I'm actually looking for. What if we try Y N A Q L? Nothing? Nothing? I'm actually gonna cry. Vim. Y N A Q L E I. I wanna know what these options mean. That's all. Confirm replacements. This is the one. Yes, no. Replace all the remaining without confirmation. Quit substitution, make no further changes. Last one, make this change but quit after this one. Make Control E to scroll down the file, get a better view of the surrounding lines. Control Y to scroll up. Okay, let's get out of here. Actually, I'm just gonna pretend I didn't do anything. I'm gonna add, I'm gonna take out this thing again. Where are you? No map. We kind of want it. I was gonna put back smart and debt. I'm gonna get it. Oh wait, no, I put it back. I'm gonna take it out again. I'm gonna keep it. Okay. Yeah, this is what I want. Ah! I do need to go back to bed. Yeah, I think I should go back to bed. Documentation is always either good, clarity, or little detail, or a lot of detail, little clarity. I don't know when I started. I've been using Vim for years. This one is fine. Oh wait. Isn't there Owen? Am I making that up? I'm not making that up. Okay, so if we go back one into this one, can we go into here? Okay, I guess I could go into it, but I can't tab complete it for some reason. Meow, meow, meow. Yes. Oh. Okay. Then we go the other way. Yes. No. Yes. 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 No. Yes. 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 No. No. I wonder if there's a way to say, like, if a line begins with this, then change something at the end. This is really what I want to do. I want to look for the lines that begin with small, but I don't know how to do that specifically. Oh well. I'll learn it in the future. This one is no, this one is yes. This one is no. No, yes. No, yes. No, yes. No, yes. No, no, yes. No, yes. Okay, we're done. So I decided to add this stupid little little emojis here. I think it's funny. So I didn't want to put solution because I feel like putting the word solution over and over looks so gay. So instead I put this little like, yeah, these eyes, these eyeballs. I think that's funny. Why are there two? Okay, maybe I can fix this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Um, where the heck? Where the heck? It adds a bit of charm, yeah. It looks really stupid. I love it. What is a logic error? Okay, we're just gonna get rid of this, I think. Oops, oops, oops. Get rid of this, and this, and this. What does that look like? I mean, I guess. I just don't like making the lines super long. I'll take out the your. What the heck? See, this is what wrapping does to you. It confuses you. Program runs without crashing, but still produces the wrong result. I think this should just be on one line, even if unfortunately it's a really long line. Delete word, delete word, delete. Then we're gonna, what is it? Control, no. Shift. Is this Shift J? Shift J? Delete to E. Then go to the end. How do you delete backwards? Command live type. I know DT is forward. Hi, Anya. Okay, I think you can search document prefix period star old ending. I tried using the star for like a fuzzy blah 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 blah. At Rainbow Fox, actually I can't understand what you're saying though. I don't really understand what you're saying. Maybe I'm misreading that. Something prefix dot star old ending. Oh, is it because I didn't put the little caret? Maybe it's because I didn't put the little caret? I don't know, I tried to do it, it didn't work. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so I wanna search this, oops, search the document and look for the prefix. So here's, oops, error thing. The prefix is small. So lines, oh, you're a genius, you're a genius. There we do star. What the heck is that old ending again? Ending with this. Small. I think I did it wrong. Wait. Prefix. Do I have to put a dot there? Prefix dot. Like this? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, this is so good. Thank you. I'm scared though. Wait, does this actually work? What the heck? Do I have to put that? V2? And? Is this regex? What the fuck is it? What are these? New ending. What the heck did I want? Sorry, I'm having a brain tumor now. Period star means any character repeated 0 or more times. I knew, like, I thought star did, but I didn't know you had to put the period. Man, I gotta read that book on regex. That's my homework. Manny Rupert. Wait, let me think about this. On the line starting with small. If it ends with small, I'm gonna forget this. New ending. I don't know if it's just, I don't even want anything. New ending. Let's see. Is that what I wanted? No. No. What is this syntax error? No. Runtime? No. Logic. This is where I wanted to change it. Does it work? What does that do? Yeah, it worked, I think. I think. Yeah, I think it worked. I think that worked. Wait, let's undo it. What did that do? Wait. I don't think it did anything. I don't even know what I wanted it to do. Wait, can I go back again? I'm a moron. I don't even think I wanted it to do anything. My brain hurts. I don't think that did anything. Control R. Control R. That didn't change anything. Okay, I'll try it again. I'll try it again on the next go around. Whatever. Okay. And then I stop blinding the chat. I'm supposed to be doing Python, but instead I'm formatting my markdown. Oops. The carrot is start. I see. Tummy hurts. Hi, Michael Dev. Long time no see. Where you been? How you doing? You don't have to answer that if you don't want to. Okay, we did that one. We gotta do the one in here. Okay. So, let's try this again. From scratch. Wait. Okay. So, actually, I don't want to do it from scratch. We're just gonna use the other one. Where is it? This one. If it starts with open brackets and ends with a parentheses, we're gonna change this part to this thing. You just do that. I don't feel like typing that again. I would do all of them. Now, here's the tricky part. So now we're gonna search for starting with small period star ending, and then this is the part. I want to change just this part. I want to change just this ending parentheses. And new ending. So, and I want that to be changed to small, and then a new line, and then details. Maybe it's just... Maybe it's... because the brackets are special syntax. Ah, okay. This? What did that do? I don't know if that works. Nothing is highlighted. Do I want it to be highlighted or no? Let's just try it. Yes. That didn't work. Wait. 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 That didn't work. It kept the parentheses. I think that's a good start though. Is that? Wait. Let's undo that. Shit. Brackets are special syntax. Something definitely makes regex harder to read is the amount of special characters that need to be escaped. Yeah. See, I feel like it's the star that's screwing me up. No, it's not. It works. What if I put a period? It doesn't do anything. What if I do this, what happens? Let's find out. Unmatched. Invalid command. Well, shit. I want to know how to do this, but I don't know how to do this. Is there a way to say, instead of putting what the character is there a way to say, like, replace the last character on this line? Yeah, I know there's that site. One of my mods sent it to me. Anyway, it's okay. I don't do this. I just don't do it. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. We just do it like this, and like this, and not this one, but this one, not this one, not this one, not this one either, not this one either, this one, not this one, not this one, not this one, this one, not this one, not this one, not this one. I really, really, really wanted to make a script. I wanted to write a script that could make these changes on a markdown file, but I really got lost in like trying to find libraries and stuff that could help me do this. So I gave up. I gave up. I found like a Python library that can turn Markdown into HTML, but that's not really what I was looking for. I know Pandocs exists. What I wanted to do is I wanted to write a script that a Python script that takes in a markdown file and makes a copy of that file while searching the file, like parsing it, and replacing some of the lines. I'm working right now. Utkar Sharkar. This is my job. Good for you, Everlink. No, what do you call it? No self-promotion. Go to your live stream. Anyway. Lem. We can run a Lewis script. Cool. Parsing arbitrary text is a pain. You're describing the said command. Yeah, I did come across that, Machi. I came across said, and then some stuff about it not working that well on Windows. I don't know if it's, yeah. I wasn't saying that it was easy or trivial or that I know what I'm doing. I'm just saying that this is a rabbit hole, not a rabbit hole. This is something I tried to look into yesterday. You know? Mm-hmm. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. It's so funny too, the irony. Everyone's like, "Oh, find a project, work on a project right now," and then when Mrs. Moonson finds a project, they're like, "Oh, not like that. Oh, that's weird. That's weird and gay. Not that kind of project. You weirdo. You weird gay cat." But this is why they tell you not to try to make other people happy, because yada 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 yada. Do all of them. Then, and then we go to this. Meow. We do this one. And we do not this one, not this one. And we do this one, and we do not this one, not this one. And we do this one. Not this, not. And this one. Not this one, 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 not this one. This one. And that's it. Oh, how nice. Okay. There's another change I wanted to make, but I don't know if I need to here. I think this is fine. Okay, quit this. So, and I mean, I feel like those code files are really useless. I think the code files are so useless, the Python code files, because I'm not running them. No one else is probably going to be running them. I thought of a way to make the code files more useful, and that would be another way to practice Python is making your own problems. So, if I put in there problems from the practice, in addition to problems that I make myself, it could be useful. Yada 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 yada, whatever. Like I said, everyone has their opinions. Oh, do a project. Oh, but not that project. Oh, don't do it like that. Don't do it like that. I talked about it before. The great irony about being a beginner is that you don't have an understanding of scope right off the bat. So it's almost impossible to know, like, you don't know what you don't know, but whatever. Yeah, I like it. I like Markdown Preview. What a great plugin. Man, that's a lovely plugin. I like it a lot. It looks so cool. It works well. Like, it just does what I want it to do. How nice. You know, I wish more things in life, I wish more technology could be like that. Just do the thing I want it to do. It'd be lovely. We should change this one. We don't change this one. And we change this one. And we change this one. And we change this one. And not this one. And not this one. We change this one. We change this one. Not this one. This one. Not this one. This one. Okay. Now, this is something I need to fix. I think this should be one. So let's do that. Here's a single quote. Where the heck did I put that? Here's a single quote. Should we take this? I will just delete these lines. That should be fixed. Oh, wait. That's not exactly what I want, actually. I'll just delete the details then. And we keep this on 2 lines. Why isn't it on 2 lines? The last one was on 2 lines. How do I do this? I'm pretty sure the last time I did this, I got it to be on 2. Lem, 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 lem. Lem, lem, lem. How did I do that? How did I do that? Was it like this? Oh, you can make it even smaller. Wait, you could do small, small? What the fuck? Oh, I think I like that. I think I like that. Okay, whatever. And then I'm gonna move all these questions in the middle here that don't have any code. Which ones? I'm moving those to the top. From what is expected output? No, from above that to this one, which what is a string? From here to 15k, I'm just going to delete it. And then I'm gonna put it under here, I think. Something like this. But I'm gonna take out this div and then this one. What symbol is used to comment out some text? What is a string? What is unique about it? The backslash? What the heck? Why does it look like that? Backslash? Oh my god, do I have to backslash the backslash even in Markdown? What the fuck? That's crazy. A symbol in Python. Oh, that looks so stupid. I'm gonna take out the quote. I take out the quotes. Why does this look so dumb to me? Maybe I should put double quotes and it'll look less dumb. Yeah. Like, I don't like how the single quotes... No, why does it do this? Oh, I don't like this. How do I do a quote that doesn't turn into like some weird curly quote? That's ugly. That's so ugly. Maybe it's like a font thing. I don't like it. Like, look, it was like, look, it was straight. It's straight. And then I put another one, it's straight. But I put something in between it. Oh, that's still straight. This is so confusing to me. I don't understand what's happening right now. I guess this escape guy can't be touching anyone. He starts acting funny. What if I put meow in here? Meow. So as long as there's a space on one side, I guess it doesn't turn. Does it happen for single quotes too? No. Well, the first single quote is normal. The other single quote is like really weird. Peculiar. All of this looks so dumb. I'll just leave it like this. Change your browser font to monospace for maximum eye candy. I like just curly quotes. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. You can keep them. I won't take them away from you. Sorry, I started laughing because the emojis again. This is probably one of the dumbest things I've ever thought of. I just think it's so funny. It's like you want to take a peek. Are you gonna look at the answer? It's really stupid. Okay. Hi, Wallkick. What it's doing replacing the characters with the Unicode left and right. There's gotta be a way to escape the character, maybe with HTML. Yeah, that's too much. That is too much work. It's okay though. I'll just have to get over it. I just gotta get over it. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, let's do something different now. Let's move these ahead of time. But I asked what a string was in the last one. Okay, we can ask it again. It's okay, we'll ask twice. We'll take these. We also need to move the typecast function in the flow. Okay, we'll steal this and we're gonna put this on top. Like so. And then I think I'm gonna need to start doing a second session offline actually of practice because I'm just so slow. This is gonna be a problem. All of these are gonna be a problem. Okay, let's see. I want to take from above typecast to this line, I think. So we'll go here. Something like this. And then we'll put here. Something like this. What is a string? Again, in case you forgot. What is an integer? What is a typecast function? What happens when a float is turned into an integer? Or an int? Why does the following code produce an error? What will the following code output? What is the expected output of the following code? Let's see. We got x equals 6.7, y equals 0, x times y, z is 0, print 6.7, 0, 0. Oh, it's gonna be 0.0, not 0. Got it. So type X is float, type Y is int, type Z is float. That's my cue. Okay, yeah, do your work. Work hard. Get motivated. I have to leave actually. I'm gonna finish this file though first. What the heck was I doing in here? Oh yeah. how do I want to do this? I will delete. How do I want to do this? Brain work, brain work, brain work. Oh, I didn't mean to do that, and then we delete. Oops, we delete this one. What else? What else? What else? What else? Same here, we delete this one. Ah! And here. There's only ones that were 2 lines. There's another one that's 2 lines. So this one is 3 lines. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I did that one wrong. I have to go fix that. I have to go fix that ASAP. Where did I do that? Right here. I deleted you by accident. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to delete your little buddy. Okay. And then this one is 2 lines. You know, I wonder why is it that the top is like to go to the top is little g and go to the bottom is big G. What does that mean? Never mind, I won't ask questions. I realize it's not really fair if I ask you guys questions, but I don't want to be asked questions. Because, one, yeah, I don't want to be derailed, but also, like, when you ask me that question, I feel like you're criticizing me. I don't think you are, though. But it's like, how can you ask me if I know something as if I'm responsible for knowing it when you're not my teacher? Like, I'm not a bad kitty if I don't know it just because I haven't come across it yet. But this is just me being borderline. Okay, we gotta change this one. And then change this one. And then this one. And this one too. And not this one. And this one. Not this one. Not this one either. Not this one. Not these two. This one. Not this one. No, 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 no. This one. No. This one? No. This one? No, no. No. No, no. This one? Nope. This one? No, no. Okay. Why is this last one missing a question or missing an answer? That's strange. Did I just skip it? Did I just say like I don't want to do this for this one. I skip it. I don't remember. I don't remember what happened here. Oh, this is not even closed. I actually don't did I? I don't remember what happened here. What the heck? Let's go back to 4. What the heck happened here? Did I accidentally delete the bottom of this file? Typecasting. I don't think I deleted it. Oh, I accidentally put this the wrong place. I see now. I don't know what goes in here. What's the expected output? So we have input string 14.5. A equals L times L. I am missing a step. I'm missing a step here where how did I delete this? I must have deleted it by accident. Write a program that feeds each person 100 centimeters square of a square pizza with length L. So the input string is supposed to be the length. I think I'm supposed to have a line that just like L equals. This is actually just stupid. Why would I? Why don't I just make it L? Wait. Right? 14.5 times 14.5 is the area of the pizza. And then the area of the pizza divided by 100. And then an integer. I don't really know. I think I lost my mind here. I think that is what I had before. I don't know how I messed that up. Let's see. Let's see what this says. Okay, assume the grader defines a string, input string for you. Okay, maybe they wanted me to use input string. Round it down to the nearest integer. So we don't need input string because they're giving it to us. So L is input string. 17.5. The area. And then int. Do I have to do integer? Could I? Oh wait, I think I learned something that day about floor division with a float that I didn't know before. I think I remember this, right? It was like 306 if you do floor division by 3. No, that's not what I do. 306 floor division by 100, you get 3. But 306.25. I thought floor division was integer division. It does give you an integer. I did it wrong again. It gives you an integer, but it gives you it in the float form. Anyway, whatever. I discovered that day. But what I also know is that dividing it without like the integer thing, like turning this into an int does the exact same thing because it just gets rid of whatever is under here. It just gets rid of anything after the decimal. Meow. Okay, I leave for now. Meow. See you guys next time.